With over 1,000 wine varieties out there, it's possible to find something you've never tasted, and as soon as you find it, you realize you can't live without it. Do you know what this wine is? In this glass is a rare wine from somewhere in the world. Let's see if we can figure out what it is and where it's from through observation. And the first thing to do is to take a look at the color. It's a pale straw color. This suggests careful winemaking with lots of control over oxygen exposure. Let's give it a sniff. Ooh. Lemongrass, white peach, lemon zest, Thai basil, and honeydew melon. It's super aromatic, but with lots of herbal notes at the same time. The palate is fresh with subtle minerality and a spice-driven finish. The acids are vibrant and high, and it's got slightly lighter alcohol and a lean mid-palate. The honeydew melon and lemon zest notes are hints that this might have some cooling influences where it grows, and the lighter body and lower alcohol suggest that as well. So what do you think it is, team? Is it Riesling, Pinot Grigio, Sylvaner, or Sauvignon Blanc? It's time for Christine Marsilio. Maybe you can help us find out what this wine is and its whole story.
Let's break it down. The herbal notes could make you lean towards Sauvignon Blanc, but it's too floral and lean, so scratch that. The structure, however, fits Riesling, but it's even more savory and herbal than Riesling here. Pinot Grigio feels close, but Pinot Grigio tends to have less acidity, so scratch that. Therefore, this elegant, slightly spiced and floral example is Sylvaner. Sylvaner is a lesser-known grape that's often overshadowed by its more famous counterparts such as Riesling and Pinot Grigio. Sylvaner is traditionally associated with Alsace and parts of Germany. It's known for its subtle yet complex profile, often showcasing green fruit, floral notes, and a hint of spice. Madeline, it's time for the big reveal. What exactly are we tasting?
Today we're tasting Union Sacré Sylvaner from the Santa Maria Valley in California.
Sitting next to the Pacific Ocean and moderated by the chilly winds and fog, the cooler climate here and diverse soils allow Sylvaner to develop its own unique Californian expression.
This wine is a great way to try a German Alsatian variety, but from California? Let's meet the winemaker.
Hello friends, my name is Xavier. I'm the owner and the winemaker of Union Sacré wine based in Paso Robles. My winery, my house, is an Alsatian house, which means we most likely make white. Today we're going to talk about this Sylvaner. The Sylvaner is a grape varietal who is not very well known in California and worldwide. The Sylvaner is a grape varietal who is grown in Santa Maria Valley, in this case, in Rancho Sisquac. Rancho Sisquac is situated 7 miles away from the oceans, which brings a lot of fog in the morning and some cold night. When it comes to the winemaking for this wine, it's very traditional. As soon as we get the grapes in the cellar, we press it, and then we temperature control ferment those grapes for about 12 days. We separate the wine from the heavy lees and we age this wine in those vats for about 8 months. This one's going to be the perfect partner with oysters, sashimi, or any dish with a little bit of cream.
So there you have it, you're one glass deeper into the fascinating world of wine. This wine is part of Wine Folly Club, so you can taste along and become a member. And we've got more videos like these coming up, so definitely subscribe to learn more about wine. Until next time, happy tasting, salut.